Oh, look how Randy's being creative while we wait on the boys. That's very nice, honey. I'm so proud of your artistic ability. Van design requires thoughtful planning and the best possible use of space, which is unique to each traveler. I originally had more overhead storage and a flat floor, but redesigned the space when we got a passenger van. By raising the floor in the back of the van, I was able to raise the bed, taking advantage of the additional width in the window wells, thereby accommodating a king-size bed with a width of 73 inches of mattress and a length of 76, extending to 80. So once we decided to raise the bed, I designed the most functional 79 inches of storage imaginable. The drawer slides out of the rear of the van or inside the kitchen area to reveal the indoor pop-up shower. That will be in another video. The back storage is for those items that are used outdoors: camp chairs, hammocks, tables, mats, tarps, ropes, etc. The inside of the drawer will be waterproofed in case we have to put some wet items in until we can air dry them out.
So the thickness of the work piece is the thickness of these boards right here.
Nice. It is getting dark, but the box is taking shape. We finished up the box this morning, and now we're getting ready to cut the slick board to go on the bottom of it, and then we're going to adhere it with Gorilla Glue. Now that we have perfected the benches or beds, we are working on the floor or the box of the drawer. So here we got the drawer inside, okay? And what Randy's done is taken a big clamp and clamped it on either side, and now he's going to screw downward into the side of the box.
Right.
And he's just kind of marking it out to place the screws evenly throughout.
Okay. And I'll drill first, of course.
And he's going to drill first.
see, I'm going to use...
Okay, drill first, and then he's using wood screws with the star bit. Randy is reinforcing this drawer. He's using a countersink drill. See that? Oh, wait a minute. Randy is operating on this old Craftsman router. It was my dad's. We bought it from him in a router stand, and our newer router broke. And I'd rather not have to go out and buy another one, but
Right.
man, this is this is old, but it still works.
Yeah, it does.
We'll find out.
Let's see.
As I was test fitting the items in the drawer, I noticed that the camp tabletops were slightly smaller than the drawer. I got a great idea. I had my husband rabbet the edge of the drawer, and the two tops create a fantastic long table to use outdoors for many purposes. Additionally, by using the tabletops on the surface of the drawer, it frees up more room within. I haven't seen anyone else do this before, but you can design yours by buying the tables first and making sure to integrate them into your design. Okay, I'm going to get the sander and I'll sand that kind of that rough edge off right there.
Yeah. As long
Perfect.
as this is...
Perfect.
Yeah.
I just finished painting the drawer. It's a big one. Okay. So this is the long drawer that goes under the bed and seating area. It can go forward and it can go back. The finished drawer is heavy. Make sure you have a very sturdy way to keep it locked in place when you travel. This design doesn't use drawer slides, which would move more freely because I wanted it to move in both directions. I know that the slides can be altered to go both ways, but then I would need an even better plan to secure it. We used coated hardboard installed face-to-face on the bottom of the drawer. It is an experiment. We'll let you know how it works in the real world. You can support this fledgling channel by hitting the like button below and by subscribing. That makes the algorithm gods happy, and we would really appreciate it. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we post new videos. Did you know that I, Tricia Selgrath, teach free art lessons on my sister YouTube channel, Arts Express? When the van is complete, I'll be teaching on location from beautiful places around North America. Check it out.